If you have lost access to your Roblox Authenticator app, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can log into your Roblox account even if you can't use the Roblox Authenticator app. So let's start. Solution 1. First, open any browser and go to roblox.com. Then enter your details and click on Login. Now when this pops up, just click on Use another verification method. Then select Backup Mode. Now just enter in one of the backup codes you got when you turned on the two-step verification or when you generated them. Then click on Verify. If the code is correct, you'll instantly be logged into your account. Solution 2. If you don't have any backup code saved, contact Roblox support team. To do this, go to roblox.com/support. Don't worry about the link, I'll leave it in the video description below. Now enter your birthday and click on Next. Then enter your username. Next, enter your parent or guardian's email address in both of these boxes. Now click here and select PC from the drop-down menu. After that, select the help category. For us, it should be the account hacked or can't log in. Then choose two-step verification from the next box. Lastly, type in the issue in the field below and click on Submit. Now you'll need to solve a puzzle. After that, your request will be sent and they'll get in touch to help you log into your account soon. So that's how you log into Roblox even if you don't have access to the Authenticator app. Now, if the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more Roblox tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!